Looking for a stove. Looking for a stove. Now, we are making an errand. We are at, this don't look at the vlogging. We are at Lowe's and we are trying to find a range because ours has been acting crazy with the gas. Oh, that's a Samsung. It's got the back part though. It's an LG. Oh, here goes also a double oven though. I really like the double oven. Here goes a Samsung. I don't see a double oven one though. Well, this one's a double oven. Yeah, this one's a double oven, but it's got the back part. It's priced better too. I don't want to touch it. Ah, look at that one. That's different. You want to ask him and see if they have how soon if they have double oven options with no back?
Yes, sir.
Samsung though.
So
Slide in.
Samsung, right?
It's, yeah, like this slides. Yeah, it's got the area. Okay. And this one's not a Samsung, is it?
No, but this is a double. That one's a double, but that's an LG.
Yeah, this one's a double?
No. That's
oh, not a double. Okay.
Not a double. Okay. Let me look.
Okay.
So I know we can get online.
Okay. Okay. Oh, look, this one's sold too.
Oh, yeah. It's floor models, no?
Oh, do they sell the floor models?
Probably.
Look at them hips. Please? Yes. Oh my God, look at these hips. We gotta get this under control.
Would you like air fry available at Zurich?
Is there a big difference in price with and without it?
Okay. So I've got like 7 of them here, so and you like it in stainless?
Please.
Black.
Because our refrigerator's what? It's still stainless, right? Yeah, our dryer, washing dryer is black.
Come look at them.
Okay.
Actually, I'm sorry, there's only 3.
3, okay.
Because the other 2 have 3 of backs. So you've got the Samsung right here, which is the Flex Duo, or you've got the other 2 with the air fry. Now, I would recommend looking at the air fry because that is up and coming.
And that's will that be the first one?
Both of them. Yeah,
Both
one of them's black, one of them's the stainless.
Okay, so probably the first one, and then.
Okay, you want to take a look at it?
Yeah, please. And now we have one that has a back on it right now, but it should make a difference if we choose to get that kind, right?
You're actually getting more room with this.
More room?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Because it's now becoming a 3.4 cubic foot. So I'm sorry, it's together. It's 5.9 cubic foot. Yeah, 5.9 cubic foot.
Okay.
So there's your air fry. And it comes with a recipe book.
Okay. I'll collect them actually. I just ordered one.
My daughter has an air fry. We got her an air fry book, so she's a lot of that.
Nice.
And so next time down the inside, some people have recommended they like the blue look.
Okay.
Something about it they like.
Okay.
There's the top, so you do get a fry pan on top.
Okay, nice.
I want to see if it has an oval burner. I just want to make sure. Yes, it does.
Now, what does that mean? That just
Basically, it's a power burner.
Really?
Yes, it's a griddle.
Okay.
But also it's oval in case you have a big pot you would put on there.
Okay.
Like
so
you
you
wanna,
can
like-
put other stuff on.
Yeah, if you want to use, I don't know if you make your own broth, but if you have a big old huge stock pot,
We
you
do,
put your
we have a
bones
pot.
in there, cook it down.
Greens, collard greens.
You got it. You got it. Or what we have another big oval cast one.
Okay.
Cast one that's oval like this, and I can put that on the oven, and it cooks evenly.
Okay.
It's having to put on the 2 burners,
Right.
and it cooks unevenly. Now you can do it like that.
Okay. But I
And
would.
it does have a mass burner on there as well,
Okay.
which is your front right.
And that means the highest flame, right?
Yes.
Okay. Okay.
And if you want to look at the specs of it, you're more than welcome. I can print the specs off, and you can kind of see what it looks like.
No, I mean, because right now the one we have is a 30
30.
inch, and then everything else sounds good. So I mean, if you want to print it, that's
this is
fine.
30 inch with 5 burners.
Okay. Now,
This is going to add value to your kitchen
Okay.
because it is an oven fry. Because it's top. I'm gonna say it's top, not top of line, but it's new inventions.
okay. Now, how soon is it available?
You want to see the availability of it?
Please.
Okay, yes, ma'am.
Or is there another store we could pick it up at? Or I wish it was here. Or is it faster to get it here than delivered to the house?
We tried that.
We try that?
We tried that with the dishwasher, remember?
And what happened to this one? Look.
It was a week.
No, they brought. Yeah, that's right. We've got to call customer service about our refrigerator though. That warning whatever it was.
You're looking at 84 days. It is a special order.
Oh.
It's an SOS, but it would be yours. So if you purchase it, it would be delivered directly to your door, to your Lowe's, because it's a special order. So it's yours.
How many days?
84.
Wow, that's great.
Yes.
So max will be about 4 days. 6 comes sooner.
I mean, the good thing is yours. I mean, you're not going to get this anywhere else.
Okay.
I mean, unless Home Depot has it on, or Best Buy has it there, but for us, this is a special order because it's air fry. It's got all of the bells and whistles to it.
So is the install included or?
Oh yeah, we'll do the delivery, we'll do the install, we'll do everything free.
What do you think?
Okay. All we'll do is get the gas line, we'll do the gas line on it, and that's really about it.
Okay.
All the extra things have to order. That's it.
Okay. Let me ask you: is it normal for like whenever we have a gas range now and we turn it on low, if you don't pay attention to it, it goes out when you turn it on low?
I've never known if that's happened.
Yeah, it's doing that pretty often, and I'm just wondering if you've heard that before because of the stove.
How old is your stove?
We bought it from. Well, let me just say this first. We bought it from Sears Outlet, right? We've had it for almost like 2 years.
How many?
Almost like 2 years.
You got really good use out of it.
You think so?
You might want to maybe go in there and clean it just a little bit because you might have some from the gas corrosion on it. So just gotta go in there and just gotta clean off the little bins and just yep. Just gotta clean it off a little bit. Get a,
Yeah, but we'll never buy anything from there again though because we've been losing screws.
Screws falling out.
Yeah, we
get
lost.
a wire brush and just gotta scrub the excess off and just make sure it's working again.
It'll have to last till this comes through.
It will. It will.
So what do you think?
Okay, can you get it?
It's okay, yeah, you don't want
I
to
mean,
know
if
budget
this
stuff.
stove
You don't have to
lasts
say your customer.
18 years, like your stove here, it's gonna last a long time. You're gonna get money for it.
Yeah, we haven't got nearly our money worth for this other one.
Yeah.
But I see why it's the Sears Outlet. Because screws shouldn't be falling out. This thing is making my stomach like it's sticking out.
We're calling off your old appliance for $30.
Hello, y'all. Okay, so this is my first time going in to see our stove. We just had the stove delivered. So this is my first time seeing it. My husband said it looks nice, so let's see. Oh, wow. Look at that. Oh, I love it. Oh, I love it. Oh, my goodness. this must be, that's, oh, this comes with the air fryer and the internal temperature, monitor, thermostat. Oh my goodness. Looks nice, don't it? Oh my gosh. Thank you.
Hey.
Oh my goodness.
What is this?
I kept the other one too. Yeah. Okay.
I would keep that one too. Oh, it's just really heavy. It's a lot heavier than the other one. Oh, no, really bad.
Oh, is that it?
It's just heavy.
Oh, you so smart. Girl, I tried to put the whole thing up. Do it
Ain't
again.
heavy. Who was supposed to do it while you know?
Wow.
It ain't heavy.
Look at that. Oh my gosh. Y'all know I'm gonna be so particular about keeping this thing clean, right? Oh my gosh, I love it. Look how that looks.
It's hard to turn.
Good.
Oh, yes, man, gotta struggle with that. Oh, look, it's blue.
Mm-hmm.
So you know if it's on.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, all of them get high? All look like
The other one just, it used to just, you know how that one
is.
is.
All the time. The other eyes are so shiny. I hope it don't sting like the other ones. It sang.
How are you?
We just sang? I mean, it's probably got this little alert.
So can you separate it?
Yeah, this is a double double oven, but you can cook it. You can use it as a whole oven.
How you switch it? Use it as one.
That's a good question. Yeah, you can. It's a double oven.
Look at it.
I don't know how
This
you.
is a nice kitchen.
It's nice, isn't it? Okay, we gotta figure out how to work that.
Samsung's gonna be turning our house
Oh,
on.
look at there! We didn't have the extra storage.
Samsung about to be turning our house on and off.
How that modernize that though?
You know how to.
Oh, so this is how you make it a single oven?
But why would it be connected to that?
I'm confused.
Maybe if you only needed one, but then if you needed the two,
How would you do that?
how you open it? Oh, when you do it, no. How you do that?
It's a handle.
How you push it?
Squeeze it.
I just did.
That open it like that. Oh, you try to open the whole thing?
Yeah.
Oh, so just make sure it's locked and then.
Okay.
Huh? I gotta figure this out.
Maybe if you need both, but it's. They got lower and then they got upper. But wouldn't the heat from the other stove get to the other stove?
I don't know. But I love this. Oh my goodness. It just really just opened up that count.
How do you do that?
Didn't it open up that wall? Girl, you know I don't know.
Everything in here is same.
It's just so.
What does do?
That's it's a thermometer, internal thermometer. Like I guess you plug it in there somewhere. I gotta read all this stuff. Yeah, I'm loving this right here. Look at that.
What is it?
It's the knob for everything. I know you're not asking any questions.
Dehydrate. Oh, we can make stuff and dehydrate. You can make raisins.
Air fry. Where's regular bake? They have regular bake? Yeah. Oh, regular bake. Yay.
Roast. Bread.
Bread proof. I think that means when you want it to rise.
Something that can bake.
It's pretty cool.
What is it?
You just press on stuff.
Well, that's what you're supposed to do so you learn.
Well, whatever happened to good old fashioned reading?
Mama, we don't live in an era where people read.
Oh, you love reading, but you don't read instructions.
No, that isn't true. Look, it told me what to do. Use the smart things to make the most out of smart living. It told you what to do.
This is so cute. Yeah, so y'all look, we're gonna read and we're gonna try to figure this thing out, play with it, and see what all this bad boy can do, and we'll let you know how we're liking it. We'll let you know how we're liking it.
Mama, what you not about to do?
What?
It's supposed to be all over that video without blurring me out.
I love this. Now the next thing to go is to get rid of this microwave. We don't even use a microwave anymore, so we got to come up with some ideas. We got to get a hood vent to go up there. Okay, y'all. We're gonna see y'all later.
I didn't see it.
Or we're gonna probably add some more to this video. If not, we love you. You know, y'all know we love you. If we're probably gonna add some more to this video. Okay, y'all. Talk to you later. saw earlier in the video, this is all the stuff that was in the cabinet up here. And this is where I had to go to get the two screws that were holding this microwave in. So I'm going to clean these cabinets, put the stuff back in here, also go through and see if there's anything I can purge, and wipe this down. So yeah, that's how you uninstall an over-the-range microwave. And as you can see, I've got these two little holes. I'm going to see how, I have some extra tile, but I'm not really stressed about it at all because I plan on chipping out this backsplash and redoing it myself in another pattern. So this is just more motivation for me to get it done. I know that the hood vent would cover these holes for sure. I seriously doubt it's going to cover these. Nah, it's not. So yeah, like I said, I'm going to go ahead, tint these cabinets, get them nice and sparkly, and see what I can purge. And the stuff is going to